यदि ह्यम न वर्तेयम जातु कर्मणि अतंद्रितः मम वर्तम अनुवर्तन्ते मनुष्यः पार्थो सर्वशः. Hello friends, this is the 23rd shlok of the 3rd chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and today we will understand this shlok in detail. So let's first go over its meaning. So the shlok says, Yadi hyam na varteyam, which means if even I do not do my jatu karmani atandrita, which means all actions at all unvaried, mam vartam anuvartante, which means my path is followed by Manushya Partha Sarvashah, which means people, O Parth, all the time. So, in this shlok, Shri Krishna is giving an indication of his true nature to Arjun, and basically he is saying that if he does not do his actions unvaried, which is basically not getting tired, so if he does not perform his actions without getting tired and stops doing his actions, then the people who follow him, they will behave in the similar manner. So here we have to understand that the true nature of Sri Krishna is that he is the avatar of Vishnu, and Vishnu, as we all know, is the sustaining force in this universe. Vishnu is the force which sustains this universe and stops it from degrading and going into chaos and getting destroyed. So, this universe is always going through the process of disintegration, and Vishnu is the force which basically is sustaining it and keeping it fresh. So, he is basically the force which holds the good in this universe, and whenever we see a person who is acting in a manner in which he brings the good in all the people, and who is fighting against the degradation, then Vishnu is basically manifesting through him. So in all the societies there are always certain people who are inspired by this force, and so when they are inspired by this force, they are basically inspired by Vishnu. And then since Krishna is the avatar of Vishnu, therefore Krishna is saying that I am the force basically which inspires these people to sustain the goodness and stop the spread of badness in this universe. And so this process is going on all the time. Every time this universe is falling into chaos, and every time there are people who are fighting and trying to bring it into order. So Sri Krishna in that sense is all the time engaged in this action of bringing order to this universe, and that's why he's saying that if I stop doing this thing, if I stop acting like this without by getting tired, then basically people will follow me, and therefore people who are following this force which motivates them, if this force stops working, then people will stop following this force, and that will lead to bad things. And that is what Sri Krishna is going to explain in the next shlok. But in this shlok, what we have to understand is that Sri Krishna over here is speaking for himself as that force which is that internal drive inside us to sustain this universe, to maintain order in this universe, and to bring goodness in this universe, and to perform good deeds in this universe, and perform them without really any self desire for anything. Because again, what is good, what is bad, if you were to think of it from the external point of view, if you were to go beyond this good and bad, beyond time, beyond space and all that, then of course there is no meaning for what is good and what is bad. But still that thing is sustained, and why that is sustained is what Sri Krishna is going to tell in the next shlok. So I hope that I have explained this shlok well to you. With that, I will close this video. I will see you all in the next video. Take care.